The last speaker on the speakers list is Jeffrey Finelli, speaker number 5, who's joining us virtually. Please enter *6 to unmute.
Hi, good day. Can you hear me now?
Yes, please proceed.
Sure. My name is Jeffrey Finnelli. I'm the principal over at Edison Park Elementary School, and I'm here to share my principal voice about the possible impact of the amendment that was passed at the last board meeting. Right now, principals across Chicago are locked in on one single mission. That's making sure our schools are 100% ready to welcome every child on day one. We're setting the tone for the entire school year in that short window. We want to make sure that everything goes well. There's a lot that goes on around this time, and most of it falls on the school leaders. A successful school opening does not happen by accident. It takes months of meticulous, relentless planning. It means designing meaningful professional development, building master schedules that maximize every minute of instruction, and ensuring physical classrooms are ready. Most importantly, it requires building trust, ensuring that every student, parent, and staff member who step through those doors are confident that their principal has everything under control and is mentally prepared to lead from day one. While restoring lost positions, especially those of assistant principals, is valuable, reopening school budgets right at the finish line creates a massive, unnecessary distraction. Instead of focusing on our students and staff, principals will be forced to navigate logistical nightmares with no current answers. This breeds confusion and takes our focus away from what is most important. If you ask us to reopen budgets now, you take our mindsets off leading our schools and force us into administrative damage control.
You have 30 seconds remaining.
That is not beneficial to the most important stakeholders in Chicago Public Schools, and that is our students. We need to launch this year with clarity and positive momentum, not chaotic readjustments. We need to let principals keep our focus where it needs to be, on our schools, our current staff, and a successful start for our students. I appreciate the time. Thank you very much.
Thank you for your comments.